How much do solar panels cost? That's a great question. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. And if you had asked me that same question 2, 3, 5 years ago, the answer would have been a whole lot different. And that's because as solar panels have become more and more popular, they're extremely popular right now, it's allowed manufacturers to scale up and build a lot more product, which is driving down the cost. So that's good news for you. Here's our example. Solar panels are costing about $3 per watt, and solar panels are rated by kilowatt. There are 1,000 watts per kilowatt. So the average home is taking a system of about 5 kilowatts. So $3 times 5,000 is $15,000. It's the cost of an average system for your average home in the US. Now that's before manufacturer rebates and any tax credits. If you have any questions about how that works right now, I can connect you with a professional who sells solar equipment or somebody who leases solar equipment. Now, if you're thinking about selling a home with solar components on it and you don't want to leave that investment on the table, work with an agent and a team who's acquainted with how all this works and knows how to document the value of your system. If you don't do that, believe me, you could absolutely be leaving money on the table. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. Thanks for watching this video about how much do solar panels cost. See ya!